welcome back to another video back in the Shogun Sport. Today I've just been mooching about, done a few jobs, and now I'm going to go and take the old girl for a little bit of off-road action. Nothing too serious, because I've currently only got two-wheel drive. But it is what it is. I've off-roaded two-wheel drives in the past, never got stuck in them, so should be fine. The reason I've only got two-wheel drive is because most of you know who are watching this, because it's a Shogun Sport video, will know that the vacuum operated system thing for 4x4 stuff is crap. So it's alright when it works, but I don't think this has ever worked since I've had it, so we'll see. So I've got some parts ordered, and I'll do another video on trying to figure that out, what's wrong with it. But for now, we're going to go and just have a little bit of off-road fun. All the byways are currently shut, so on the Isle of Wight, because they shut them in October and they don't open until like end of March, April, something like that. So it's not quite as fun, but just I know a couple of little places we can go, have a bit of fun. So see you there. Right, it's actually the next day, and today, as you can see, is pretty miserable. The rain is awful. So I think it's the perfect time to go and actually do a bit of off-roading, because I had a little go yesterday, as you can see, but it's a bit boring, it's dry. So now it's raining, it's perfect. So I've just done a school run, and I'm just going to head to a little road just around the corner from the school and have a little go. Right, this might not be the most treacherous off-road track in the world, but it is kind of on my school run. It should be fun. Oh my god, proper bumpy. And in the depths of winter, you get some really cool puddles down there. Lots of mud. But it has been quite dry recently, but today's the first sort of wet day in a while, so all the puddles are pretty much gone. Bit of mud here, let's see, look at that. In the mud. Way. The biggest issue down here is these massive humps. Oh, way! That is a big one here, look. Nice. There is a lot of ups and downs through this track, but it's good fun. I'll try and make a few other, a few more camera clips so you can see it, because I don't know if this angle gives you justice or not. But, whoa, it's good fun. And there's not a lot of chance you're going to get stuck here. It's just, just all over the place. It throws the car around. So it's perfect for me with my little two-wheel drive currently going on. Let's go this way, shall we? Now it used to be a lot funner the other way, but they filled a lot of the rivets in, and there was like, I don't know, about 8-inch water. I used to go flying through it and just cover the car in muddy water. It was good fun. But they filled it in Type 1, so it's not as fun anymore. But this way, not too bad. Just got to mind out for dog walkers, obviously. Not normally out when it's this wet and muddy. Bit of mud here. Whee. And there's a dog walker with no dog. Just a walker then. Give her a wave so she doesn't hate me. She hates me. Anyway, onwards. This used to be an old holiday camp down here. It was like abandoned from the 60s or something, I don't know. You used to be able to go in there. Oh, a bit of mud here. Yes. Yeah, you used to be able to go in there and like go in the old chalets and stuff like that. But now it's a big posh resort. Got the second gear here. Let it brake for me a little bit. It's quite slippy, and there's another dog walker with no dog. So tempted just to go flying through that mud next to her, but that would be rude. And that's pretty much it. We're back on the tarmac. That was good fun. It's the only place you can really drive at the moment. It's off-road. I'm going to hit this puddle though. Why wouldn't you? Yes. Woohoo! Yeah, that's pretty much the only place you can drive at the moment that's off-road. So it's like I say, all the byways are shut, which is rubbish. So, but to be fair, it's probably a good thing at the moment where I'm only in two-wheel drive. See, I don't know if the camera picks that up, but I've got the flashing green light amongst my pink dials. So I'm going to have to get that sorted, that 4x4 issue. I'll probably film what we do so you can see, might help some others out that have got the same issue, because I know a lot of people do. But hopefully it'll be an easy fix. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see some more, just hit the old subscribe button at the bottom. We're actually speeding now, it's a 10 mile per hour zone. Naughty, naughty. There we go, that's better. So yeah, click subscribe, and then we'll be able to see some more videos in the future, whether it's on the Shogun Sports or the 335i, or just some general mucking about. So yeah, thanks for watching.